How to create loop cuts in Blender. So first you want to select your object, go to edit mode with tab, and then select a face. Now hold left Ctrl and press R. Then scroll with the middle mouse button to add more loop cuts or fewer. You scroll up or down. Now you can basically confirm with pressing the left mouse button, and then you can adjust by moving your mouse up or down to position them. If you want to keep them in the middle, either you can right click or press the escape button, and that should place them in the middle like this. And then you can bevel these edges if you want by holding left Control and pressing B. Now you can move your mouse up or down to scale or adjust the size of the bevel. And then you can extrude them if you want. If you hold left Alt and then press E and then select extrude along normals, you will be able to extrude them like this right here, or you can intrude them inside. And that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.